Hello everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Well, I have another childhood favorite, and I haven't had Chips Ahoy in a long time. This one's a little different. These are the little Blondie baked bites. I don't know much about these. I saw them in the store. I remember liking Chips Ahoy as a kid. I like the idea that they're in some little square. I don't know much about it, so I'm interested in getting into it. If I can get into it. Okay, so here's what they've got in the box. I think there's, 5 packs in the box. Oh, look at that. Yep, that's what it looks like on the box. It's soft. So here's the thing. Yeah, Chips Ahoy were a childhood favorite, but I'm an adult now, and I've got adult tastes. And just a few weeks ago, I had actually not possibly, it was the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had in my life. So you can imagine this Chips Ahoy Blondie baked bite falls short. But you know what? They're pleasant as far as a blast from the past. They're unique with the little square. I'm sure kids will like them. But all in all, I'll never get another box again. But hey, they're not awful, though they're flirting with awful. 3 out of 10.